again, everyone. I am back with a tutorial slash review of the Curls Dynasty Wash and Slay bundle. So here in this video clip, or in this section of the video, I'm just spraying the ends of my hair so that way I can section them off. I like to wash my hair in sections, so I'm just going to spray them with water and then use the Give Me Slip conditioner from the bundle to add extra detangling power, because this is an old twist out and sometimes it gets a little funky with the tangles on the ends. So I'll be using this conditioner right here. And then the next step, once I section it off, is to go ahead and wash, so stay tuned. I've parted it and I've used just the water and Give Me Slip conditioner, which helped dramatically with me separating my hair, because sometimes doing this is a battle. So now I am going to go wash with the Cocoa Mint Moisture Rich Shampoo, which is right here. And then I will follow up with the deep conditioner, the deep pumpkin mint deep treatment. So I'm gonna follow up with this here. Now when I use this, I'll pop back on camera and show you my hair dryer setup, because I'm going to sit under the dryer for at least 30 minutes, about 30 minutes, so that it could, you know, be a full deep. Alrighty, so I have finished washing my hair with the Cocoa Mint shampoo, and here are some of my thoughts. So I absolutely love the consistency of the shampoo. It's not runny, like it's not too runny. You do need to shake it well before you begin. That's what the directions say, but it's extremely lathering. I love that. A little goes a long way, and I love the way that the bottle has the spout at the top so that I can really target my roots, as opposed to other bottles where you have to squeeze it out and, for me, just slather it all over, because once you get your roots, the rest of the soap will fall and wash your hair, and that's how I wash my hair. I keep my hair in sections. It's now been in a towel for a few minutes, so what we're going to do is take this out, and I'm gonna look crazy, but we're gonna take hair section by section and apply the deep treatment, the deep pumpkin mint treatment right here. So we're gonna take that and apply it to my hair, and then I'm going to sit underneath this dryer behind me for 30 minutes. So that's pretty much the process on my regular wash days. Now with the shampoo, back to that, the smell is very minty. That's something that I really like. It was awesome aromatherapy in a steamy shower, and it also made me feel awake. It made my scalp feel awake and very clean without stripping all the moisture. So I really appreciate that. Now what we're going to do, I'm opening this for the first time, so you know I'm gonna smell it at first, and let's see here. It smells like dessert. It doesn't smell like pumpkin, It has a citrus orange scent to it, which I really love. It's very light, it's not too strong. So now let's see what the consistency. So this is what it looks like inside of the jar. There we go. And the consistency is like a very thick, smooth cream. I like this. When creams are too thin, I get a little nervous because I don't know if it's, typically the thinner creams are not going to give my hair the same results as I get with a thicker, you know, deep treatment. So I usually, like you just saw, start at the ends of my hair to make sure you get those first, because they're, I know at least my ends are typically the first thing that dries out. So then I'm just applying a generous amount to make sure that my hair is completely coated, and also get some of those roots. I know people say pay attention to the ends, but I like to condition my roots as well because it's hard to detangle when your roots are tangled. So now I'm just gonna go ahead, twist it back into the section and move on to the next section. So now I am going to go get my plastic conditioning cap, sit under the dryer for 30 minutes, and then rinse this out with warm water. So guys, stay tuned and I'll be back and we'll get together to set my hair up for a twist out. Alright, so I am back. I just finished the treatment, the deep pumpkin mint, or the pumpkin mint deep treatment. It was awesome, and as per the instructions, I usually sit under the hair dryer for 30 minutes with conditioner, but I wanted to follow these to the T, so I only did it for 20 minutes. So it says 15 to 20 minutes. I took 20 minutes just because my hair was super dry and it feels amazing. I really love how it didn't feel like plastic soft, if that makes sense. So some of the other conditioners that I use sort of coat my hair with something. This one actually penetrates and moisturizes, and it feels very soft and manageable. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this leave-in, the Kalahari Smoothie leave-in, excuse me. Here we go. And I'm going to be using this to detangle my hair. And once I'm done detangling my hair, I'm going to use the vanilla cream custard to do my twists for the twist out. So again, warning, hair's gonna look crazy because I put the towel over my head and all the twists stick up. Here we go. So here's my hair post deep conditioner, and it just feels extremely soft. So this is what I'm going to be using as my detangler slash leave-in. So I'm just going to take a couple pumps because this is a big section of hair. And again, with the citrus, the lovely citrus smell, it smells amazing. And I just want to make sure I coat all of my hair before I go in. Now usually I detangle under running water, but I wanted to see how this was going to serve. So I'm going to take my brush and I'm just going to start at the ends. So far, nothing too crazy. I'm able to get through the tangles very easily, actually. Wow. Because usually when I do this, my hair is like pulling and I have to stop and detangle with my fingers a little bit. And this is actually very, what a pleasant surprise. Like, this is awesome. Very happy. So I'm gonna finish detangling the rest of my hair. Once I'm done detangling the rest of my hair, I'll show you how I do, or how I prep my hair for a twist out. So stay tuned. So I just got done finishing my hair with the Kalahari smoothie leave-in, and this was excellent. It provided a great sort of moisture for my hair that followed the pumpkin mint deep treatment, which also left my hair feeling amazing, and it let me detangle without so many knots. It was a lot easier to detangle way less, you know, shedding from detangling, even more less than when I detangle under running water. So this is a great way for me to save water and time. So I will list this in the description box. So for more of a chunky twist out, so I will be using the vanilla cream custard to do that. And all I'm gonna do is rough part, because I don't really do like neat parts when it's for a twist out, and it saves time that way. So what I'm gonna do is just rough part with my fingers. My hair's already detangled, so all I have to do is just go in and twist. So I just rough part like so. And I'm just gonna do, you know, 2 or 3 twists a row, but basically I'm just gonna put a little glob of it, and here's the consistency. Nice and smooth, very bouncy like pudding, and again that light citrus smell that it's very pleasant. It's not too strong, and I don't want to put too much of this because I do still want a little fluff. And then I'm just gonna go in and, you know, twist it up. Alright, so I'm all done twisting up. Again, I really love the smell of this product line. It's like a light citrus smell. This curly or vanilla custard is very custardy. It's a very bouncy product. There's a little bit of the texture there. So it's not too heavy, doesn't leave a residue, or it doesn't you know, feel sticky or anything like that. And from the last time that I used it on blow dried hair for a twist out, it gives a very good hold. Alright, in this clip I'm just removing the twists. I absolutely love this product line. It left my hair feeling soft with great definition, and all of the Wash and Slay bundle worked really well for my 4C hair. I also have a discount code for you guys in the description box where you'll receive 15% off of your entire purchase. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, see you guys later. Take care.